tools and more tools. Tools of the trade for diesel mechanics. Iowa Western camps out for 3 days.
Say, if you get a hold of a standard socket,
There's some in-town kids and some rural kids.
that is the wrong socket.
Most of them, when they get to us, they kind of have it in their head that they want to be a mechanic.
Kind of a birthday present from my dad. I am going to Iowa Western next year for welding.
Everything on this engine is going to be metric.
Got like a bunch of interest in the mechanic stuff and welding stuff.
I bust all my bolts loose.
So let the loosening begin. Summer diesel camp in Weber Country. It's the stuff futures are made.